Okay guys, so today is going to be on this Kylie Cosmetics February Favorites kit. It is $100 and I'm going to run through all of the products that it comes with and apply them to my face, and then we're going to decide if it's worth it or not. So let's get into the video. Okay, so the first item is this Kylie Cosmetics makeup bag. And this is the bag from the birthday collection. This bag retails by itself for $36 on Kylie's website. And it's like purple on the inside with two little side pockets and then a big pouch. So there's that. And the next thing in here is a pair of panties, because why not, I guess. And yeah. Here's what they look like. It's got the little Kylie lips and it's a thong. And this only comes in one size and there's no way to pick what size you want. It says on the tag that it fits size 2 to 12, but I don't know. And they don't sell this individually on the Kylie website. It's only in this February Favorites kit. And this is supposed to have a value of $18. I wouldn't pay $18 for a pair of underwear, but maybe that's just me. Okay, now for the makeup. First we have this Kylie pressed blush powder in Barely Legal. And this retails for $20. Just a nice pinky peachy blush that has a nice mirror on the inside too. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. It's definitely got some pigment to it. Okay, so that went on pretty nice. It is pigmented, but you can just use a little bit. I like this. And next is this pressed illuminating highlighter in Cotton Candy Cream. And this retails for $22. So there it is right there. It's like a nice champagne-y gold, and this one also has a mirror on the compact. So here's the highlighter on. I think it applied really nicely, and not chunky or glittery at all, just a straight sheen. And it's not too intense. You could definitely tone it down more, but I like this one so far. And the next thing you get in here is the Kylie Burgundy Palette. It's got the little tears on the front. And here's the palette. It also comes with a mirror, so I'm going to try to create a look with this really quick. And this palette retails for $42 by itself. First, I'm going to tap into this matte shade called Beach. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this more rusty orange shade called Penny. to try the Burgundy shade in the outer corners. Okay, so I really like how the mattes are blending so far, so I'm gonna go in with Almond and deepen up my outer V. Okay, and for the lid, I think I'm gonna go in with this shade, LA. Let's try that on a brush. See how that works. Okay, so I just applied that dry with a brush and it worked pretty well. I didn't have to use my finger or get the brush wet or anything, and it's full pigment, so like that. And now for the lower lash line, I'm going to take Beach. And then I'm going to go in with Penny and run that closer to the lash line. And then I'm going to take Almond and press that right against the lashes. And then for the inner corner, I'm going to take Naked. Okay, so I just applied some brown eyeliner and mascara. And the last thing in the box are lip products. We have a matte liquid lip kit, velvet liquid lipstick, and a gloss. So I'm gonna swatch all of these on my lips. Okay, first is the gloss, and this is in the shade Literally. And this gloss retails for $15. Okay, so there's the gloss. It's a nice brownie nude shade. So this is a very opaque lip gloss. And this smells like vanilla frosting. So let's try the next one. So here's the velvet liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Low Key. And this retails for $16. This is a lot more chemically smelling than the lip gloss. But it definitely is trying to be a vanilla scent. Okay, and here's the velvet liquid lipstick. I really like this formula. It's definitely matte, but it doesn't dry all the way down, and it's very comfortable. And this is just a nice peachy nude shade. So I like this. And now let's try out the lip kit. Okay, and here's the lip kit. This is in the shade Head Over Heels. So I'm first going to apply the lip liner and then put the matte liquid lipstick on top. Okay, now I'm going to apply the matte liquid lipstick over top. Okay, so here's the lip kit in Head Over Heels. I really like it. It's a nice purple shade, and it didn't apply streaky or anything. It was pretty opaque going on, and I only had to dip in once. So I really like that. And the lip kit retails for $29. So all of these items I really liked, and I think were worth it for me. The makeup bag and the panties are kind of just bonus items for me, but even with just all the things that I think were worth it, I would have paid well over $100 to get just these items. I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you in my next one.